Welcome to our quick guide on how to change the soundboard volume in Discord Updated. If you've ever wondered why your soundboard sounds too loud or too soft during a call, this short walkthrough will get you set in just a few taps. First, open Discord on your device. You'll want to head straight to your personal settings by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to all the audio tweaks and preferences you'll need. From there, look for the settings icon and tap it to enter your account and app preferences. You'll see a long list of options, so don't worry if it looks a little overwhelming at first. We're focusing on the soundboard today, so we'll keep it simple. Next, scroll down until you find a section labeled Voice. In this area, you'll manage all things related to your audio input, output, and behavior in calls. Tap on Voice to reveal the specific controls for sound quality and levels that affect how you and others hear you during chats. Now comes a key step. Locate the soundboard volume control. You'll see a slider you can drag from left to right. Moving the slider to the right increases the volume, making the soundboard louder, while sliding left decreases it for a quieter output. Make small adjustments and test what you hear in a moment to avoid going too far in either direction.